Welcome back, Rohawks, to another episode of Rock Talk.
We hope all of you guys had a great Thanksgiving break, and we're so glad to be back. Hey, Jay, what did you do over Thanksgiving break?
Ate a lot of food and played some basketball.
I heard a lot of people were playing some b-ball, including our fellow Rohawks. Let's take a look.
That was some hard work me and Ali put in, but let's go get some help from the boys basketball team.
My name is Delverne, and I'm a senior.
Omarion, I'm a senior too.
I'm Austin Young, and I'm a sophomore.
I'm Christian Johnson, I'm a sophomore.
My name is Noah Green, and I'm a sophomore.
The practices are kind of sloppy because everyone's new, as I said, so they don't know anything yet. But I feel like as it goes on, then it's gonna get better.
It's been okay. A lot of confusion among players, especially new players. We have a lot of new players this year, so.
I feel confident because practices so far, even though it's been only 2 days, I feel like we're getting all of our stuff down, so we're gonna be good.
Yeah, I'm excited to play too. Practice is going good. Everybody's learning the plays and getting the hang of it.
Yeah, I've been waiting a year now, so it's pretty cool.
I'm excited because I've been waiting for basketball for a while because it's my favorite sport. So I'm just ready for the season to start fully.
I've been waiting since I got here to play basketball, so I'm really excited.
I feel pretty good. It's my first year playing in 2 years because I didn't get to play last year because of COVID. So I'm excited to play again and have a good time with my teammates.
For me, since it's senior year, every year for me has been a different team, but this year is the most different team, so it's new diversity, so it's going to be a new year.
Yeah, it's gonna be a little sad once we know this is our last year playing, and that we won't really get to play together as a team anymore after high school. So for me, yeah, it'll be a little sad.
I might just be chilling. I don't know.
It seems to me that the Rohawks are about to start a very good season. We'll keep you updated. Back to you, Emily and Jay.
Wow, our boys are looking really good at the start of the season.
You know who's looking even better, though?
Who?
Our Lady Rohawks.
Well, let's go take a look at them.
Get the tweaking on his. Still ain't even though. Yeah, we gonna get it even. Alright.
Yeah. So what is your position in basketball?
I'm a post.
I play corner and shooting guard.
Like a guard though. So yeah, that's all I do.
I'm a 1 and a 2, sometimes point guard. If not, I'm on the wing. I'm the point guard.
I'm a post or a 4 or 5.
What is your mindset when you're playing in basketball?
My mindset is just remember that you're not the only person on the court, and be confident in your shots and don't be afraid to go out there and just take them on.
Just locked in and focused and want to get a win.
I have that mama mentality mindset, Kobe Bryant mindset.
That mama mentality.
How's the season going for y'all so far?
It's going. It's definitely going to be a long season, but I think once we pick up our momentum and our energy, it will definitely get better.
It's good. We're 3-0, so we're trying to keep that up.
Do you have any players on the basketball team you look up to?
Justice, she's super aggressive, so I like that she's aggressive. And then I guess Ari, she's pretty good. She's a left-hander, so she's pretty raw, I guess.
Most of the seniors, LYDIA, Chelsea, Justice, Adrian, and Alexi. Yeah.
Alexi because of her energy.
Yeah.
The person I look up to the most would have to be the twins.
All right. Who on the team has improved to you the most?
I would say Omarion and Ari, because whenever they first started as freshmen, they were kind of like held back on their skills. But like right now, I feel like they're like up to the level that they should be.
Who's your favorite basketball player?
Myself, because I too do not watch basketball at all.
Let 'em know. Who's your favorite basketball player?
I like Kyrie because, you know, his moves are pretty nice.
Wait, Tony! Merry Christmas! I know some scammers who be in the streets, they working D-lines.
What's it?
Doing 150 like I'm Herb on them. Get my to watch to match my watch, we oyster twins.
Our basketball team sure are looking good. I can't wait to see the rest of their season.
You know what team doesn't get enough recognition?
What team?
Our bowling team.
Well, lucky for you, we got coverage. Let's take a look.
Alright, so I am about to walk into Ponderosa Lane to watch the girls match against East Central. Let's see how it goes.
How long have you been bowling for? This is my first year bowling competitively, but I've done it always my whole life. It's just a fun thing to do, but this is my first year being on a team.
This is actually my first year bowling at Randolph, and I really like it, and I'm excited.
I think this season is going incredibly well. There obviously is more room for improvement, but right now the girls are working as hard as we can, and we are obviously showing it on the lanes.
It's actually really fun. Sadly, my last school didn't have a bowling team, so it's really nice to be a part of something new and exciting.
I think it's really fun, actually. I didn't think I would be good, but I mean, it's fun and it's a new thing to do my senior year, my last year of high school.
Yeah.
I think we're a pretty strong team. Even though we have a lot of new girls, we do have a couple returners, and we're all improving already so much, and we've only had 2 games. I'm definitely enjoying the hype that we have. We're very loud and our energy is very high, and I really enjoy that, and I feel like I've bonded with the girls already a lot.
Well, the thing is, bowling is one of the many sports that I'm really good at. And the fact that I was able to compete this year, and I'm going to be competing on Wednesday, which should be, I think, last week by the time this comes out.
Bowling has definitely been a lot of fun. I never really imagined you could do it professionally, but they had a bowling club here, so I decided to join.
It's pretty fun. I like meeting new friends. It also gives me something to do.
The season so far is going pretty good. The team looks really nice, and I think we're going to go pretty far in playoffs this year.
All right, so how do you think the season's going so far?
Well, I think we're doing pretty good. We're starting off 2-0, pretty strong start.
And do you have any advice for our bowlers?
Well, it's all about keeping your head in the game. You got to trust the process. The more time you put into practice, the better you get. The harder you work, the more it's going to pay off.
That curve, though.
Right. Hawks on 3! 1, 2, 3,
Wow, bowling seems pretty cool.
You know what seems really cool?
What?
Having a twin.
Yeah, good thing we have enough of them that we got some footage on them. Let's take it to Bri and Omarion.
Let's take a look.
It's your boy, Josiah,
Omarion,
and Bri.
and we're gonna get twins and make them play basketball to see who will win against each other. So let's get into it. I'm here with
Pablo Nunez.
Padriana Nunez.
And as being twins, are you guys like the competitive type twins, or do y'all get along all the time?
Yeah, very competitive, but friendly at the same time.
I'd say we are competitive at at the end of the day. We're always gonna be there for each other, It's that sibling, friendly rivalry type stuff.
And Padriana, I know you already play basketball, but if y'all were to play each other one-on-one, who do you think would win?
I think I would win, but not by a lot, because it's hard for me to play against him, but I still think I would score more than he does.
No, that's That's a tough question. I'm not the best basketball player, but at the same time, I feel like I'd be able to do Padriana up. But you know, we're just gonna have to see.
Ready? Go!
What?
What are you doing?
And I'm now here with a winner. You did exactly what you said you would do. How do you feel about that?
Honestly, it's an exciting moment. After I made that shot, I was like, man, I'm on top of the world. She's the second one now. I'm the older. You know what's up. Thank you.
Now we have to put all emotions aside. No physical harm to him. But how do you feel knowing that you just lost to your brother?
I say it was pure luck. Yeah. And I'm not even in the right attire, so I'm a blame.
She is in a dress. She is in a dress.
You're not even
But-
in this segment. But yes, I say it was luck. In the attire, I'm not wearing the right attire.
Well, that's all we have for you this week, and we hope to see you next week on Rohawk Talk. Peace.
Alright, just some random bloopers for you, just my posing, waiting for the questions to be answered. Nah, I'm just, yeah. Anyway, I have no energy. Okay.
Ready? Oh, I'm filming.
Oh, okay, we can just go to this beginning. Hey, Rollhawks, wait.
Do a flip. Okay. Go ahead.
Okay. I'm here with Justice Dickey. So what is your mindset when playing in the basketball game?
My mindset is just to go out there and think positive. Don't just like be like, oh, I'm a like.
Okay, yeah, I need to read.
Alright, so how long have you been going for?
This is my first year, but
Okay. I am here with the girls bowling team captain, Emma Kazan. Did I say that right?
Kazan.
Kazan.
Kazan works too. No one knows how to say it.
I literally just say Kazan because she's like.
Pause.
Kazan.
Cut. Pause it. We're gonna start over. We're starting.
Is it recording? Oh, okay.
Bro, come on.
What it do, Rohawk Talk?
Wow, bowling seems pretty cool.
You know what seems really cool?
What?
Having a twin.
Yeah. Well, good thing we have enough of them in our school, and we have. Wow.
You suck.
I stuttered.
Shake your body like a ballet dancer. Look, I can ASMR. Can you hear the chair when I jump?
Why do you keep singing just that one part?
It's the only part I know.
Learn the rest of the song.
Who lets you have this job? Come on,
Mr.
we only
Ritter.
have 14 minutes. Let's just get this done. You could be like,
All right, go ahead.
no, die. Literally die.
I got it. Let's go.
Yes, you did. Yes, you did. You went, ha!